Hello guys, welcome to my new Upland tutorial. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about collections in Upland game. So this information is really important, especially if you're a beginner, because it will make a difference and give you some guidelines to which properties you should buy in the game. Okay, before I show you the collections option, if you see any of these explorers, you'll see some numbers on the side, and this number tells you exactly how many collections this user have. For example, this is my here, and I have 4 collections so far. You can see other users has a lot more. If you open the collections here on this option, you'll see in this particular city, and this is Los Angeles, the collection that you can make or collect. So first one is maybe one of the easiest one. It's standard collection. Only own any 3 properties in Los Angeles. You can click here, and then when you buy these any 3 properties in the city, you can just assign them and you can click done, and at that point you will get some small bonus here, and this will be the boosted income of all of these 3 properties combined. And you can also see the color of different collection is changing as you go to the right side. The reason is because they are growing in value and the properties are more expensive. And you can see the boost is getting bigger and bigger, so is the one-time reward that you get when you complete this collection. You can see the last one gives you huge amount of 65,000 UPX for collection. So if you're a beginner, you should focus on these collections. So first we have City Pro, which is in limited, like second level collection, but still you'll be able to collect this in the beginning. So you have to own 5 properties in the same city, and you can also assign them here, and then you're done and you'll get your bonus and boosted income later. So one important thing is, what you need to know is, if you assign one property here in this collection, you will not be able to assign the same property, for example, in this collection. So you need to have separate properties in separate collections. This is also the first collection you will create. It's newbie standard collection, just 1 property in any city of Upland, and then you can focus on own 3 properties on the same street, own 5 properties in the same city, or own 3 properties in Los Angeles. Some of these properties and collections are regulated that they can only be collected in general, so you cannot have for example City Pro in all cities in Upland. It's just in one same city, and you can do this once. If you change and go, for example, to San Francisco, you'll see that City Pro is already fulfilled and King of Street is already there, so these collections you will not be able to duplicate, so you can only do them once and they stay. Also newbie standard collection will be only completed once, so that's also important thing for you to know. Also on the right side, this like navigation button will give you easier look on the map. So for example, you can see different sections of the city, and you zoom in, you can see Manchester Square, and some of these sections are also collections, so it's going to be much more easier for you to see. For example, if we have Vermont Square collection, you know that anything you buy here can go into that collection. So you should click on this option on the side, and every time you observe the map, you will be able to see your areas and buy properties inside. So I will repeat just one more time. If you're a beginner, focus on couple of beginning level collections, which are Newbie, King of the Street, City Pro, and if you are a beginner, focus on this beginner level collection that you can easily make. So first one is Newbie, then we have King of the Street, City Pro, and I'm gonna go back to LA here. Where is LA? Here. And you can also own any 3 properties in the city, own 3 properties on the same street, and that's pretty much it to begin with. If you're considering to start the game, I'll recommend using the link below that I'm gonna post in description, because first time when you buy a UPX credit, You get UPX credit here. For example, you want to buy 50,000 for $49.99, you will get 25,000 bonus. So 50% of your first UPX income will come as a bonus. So it's going to be really useful, and you'll be able to buy more and more properties. So that's pretty much it in this tutorial. You can open collections here and explore them, and make sure you follow the collection when you're buying any property. So do not buy property if you cannot fit it in collection in the beginning. It can help you a lot with your UPX income. Make sure to like, subscribe, and if you're already playing this game and you have some more information about collections, let me know in the comments below. And collections are updating constantly and they are changing, and I'm gonna see you in my next Upland tutorial. Bye bye.